the work is finished. And to the mini Arab, Nanyamo say, it is finished. We thank God for today. It is Sompa delight, and then I'm excited to come your way. Edina ne Abena Ruthy. And now send I mean you Abena Oji kind of Bimka Ruthy. Oka Ruthy I mean Kashi. And into them be Abena Nakahoma on Abena. Yeah, very simple for you to say into Abena Ruthy any day no. Na me da me team say me da ye mami akosia ago average communication I say. Na ya cheche adwumera na obia ena wa wagibra wutie me awie mechiao me baby was sending message to say madam my day here Kobi matonka all the precious adorful entry mechiao pa sister John Patrick is saying
Eradiado, Bachona so.
Adum. Me and then no Easter ne rera mi musa, you know, me kai, you know, Yesu ni wo sorry no ehun kunima e dia mamia. Na wo sebe ma enije shema kuma muma. O say e bi no ha ya o ye solema o musu ni ade e chale. Ase ye ni ade. Obiani ni faith.
Obiani said
send or expressing, you know, Easter. But I believe that Easter was a man who hope. Say, bibi biara wo fem no. Onyankropon yi ne doba no be fe mu sene e be ya wo be di sunkonim. Eno na wo say ye ya reshe mu nti ewie ye betiefo aha na ya mo hu say ye the Easter special on Sompa delight everyone. Ane. Ye there radiasi. Na say why you afro? Wo di bibi bre me ana?
Oh, Samu.
Na bi one for it I like it all. I love it. Nice. So what special in Kubia we use and Pachana? Natural.
Meaning Kubia me deka.
Wow.
And yes, my kosa lu se me koye washing ye di nkube fa mitrimwa.
Interesting. As me obi we ka say hey de bia na wani ye trum then now ye me facial money view.
I don't even have time.
Sometimes you know you just have to go the natural way. I mean that's not to say it's a product or what.
Oh yes. I mean,
and I believe that some of these things when it happens you should look at a business aspect bia obi to me enye free because senia o to me crowd here won toshe wonye you know obi to me di achrochro bibi steps bia wo ye obi wan say na ye business idea na ma
thank you
we Sompa delight to na beto. Oh, I am grateful to God for today, and let me say thank you to Professor Michael Budinya Miche. Sa prayer na aye twegu ni de ewura ho dompenim na ma wa hoden enti awie yenya ensem nhira yedana se nyankropon on shira ne bebre ai enne ye wo ye papa Fredima obebe fie ha. Okay. And then Reverend Ace in Sobebefi Namunim. So we entertainment show na say one fair president of music now I'm baby I say one David Inti and nena ye ni Bessa Simons ebe kasa ai ye friend the Belembe man e unim ni nyumbiana
nyomu na ebi wo ho amenimu nyomu no but ya na menim se wo mo aha
na unim some secret about Bessa Simons no compose or produce Tego sisters nyum bebre bebre I no mo koye woni ho wo UK nti ono na me sure say ne kasa on the phone now he will talk about it or yeah
but also most of the time music yetie especially gospel no ye de ni enimu ne se Abena Ruthy nyum nie anase we na be bu okra mo tro ne production ne kra no ejuma ne kese be yenim.
That's an excellent point you're raising. Ayana adwene nti no obi wo ho a adwomtofo no fana entro omoto nti no obi na atwrama no eno abeto but ono no wato aba abontinti na eno ani aboni din se ne dia mi ho ani otroye no na or the say ono no nam baby cry you know nti na ayana ye kase gamro say omun hihye ye ne koyie a ebebo bia because at the end of the day we can register wo we a singer into ube wo a singer then composer be wo as composer into no say sikasem chene ba ye the singer de ma no the composer de ma an sa na ye wo ho sa na ye wo ho ntine ye ma education ne komo a ebeboa ntine say wo chiro nyum na de ma obi a I mean en chese bunya hwe sometimes ebi mo chira omo beka say o me de che I mean, would you fa enyeshi? Aha, obi wo hosa. Ebi nim so to me jiska.
What to into wunni oni right bia wo.
So technically, our right to. And so maton ama enti neko. Senka ya dia wunim wo hunim dia na onim so me trama wo de ekoto na say break here say me percentage near then you will get it. Enti na mistake sometimes no. Ube huna nyom ne enyinia na e blower na afa ni ochroy no na onya ho hwe enti education say na ya de ma se ne be ya nkofo ebetumi enya omu you know intellectual property aketia yeah and we're doing that a lot and one of the times we will let Auntie Dinah come to the studio now I bet share more about these things anyway do you have any story around that you want to share with me otherwise then we'll be calling Bessa. Okay, let's hear you.
Yes, I think semi 1 or 2 be na gospel musician and pastor Reverend Josh Lai and
hey meeting in catch
it's been long.
We should call him one of these days.
But yes. Yeah. Or sister now as a modern gospel no too centered on commercialization. Any fame. Not ye leave Christo content no esinchen. Ni chichu pane enkwaji salvation. Was it these days no sa trend no yadoso. I say woman say ehun hia ye ka branding ye ka content and now share music videos cry ye produce ba bontia utimi hu difference kese pa e wo dada na ye yenimu but as I was na nsem no concentration na ye too much de bi ma menhye nyom no ma menfa we nto so ne atwa music video hu ntade akese ne ye behye any just say ye bibia obi beti extravagant
and I don't know where that ever na
there we did it
I know right wow composition
extravagant lifestyle no ya maya dwena koso mo
amane ma ba mi ti go for ka words bo
me say oh name na ye yi salvation no esinchen enti wasre se sanke betimi ma Kristo no aye the center of enyom na aye to na anke betimi aboa pa basesi anase yese wo brandi hu yi a na ye behu yi enti obu wo honom kra wonim se enyom bi wo ho a ansa na obe release no kra nya metimi de bibi to wakoma so as to if you want to do a collaboration who should be on it
true
maybe e me kai se na nyuntufo bi wo ha o ko interviews now o say enyum wei me be release no nyame de to makoma so say ye de asumesi ana obenti we to so a enyum no ebe ye ye fa ba sesi ano de bi ye hye de obetimi ama ye views
so it happens so I believe that when you're coming into the industry you should have your clear goals whether you are coming in for the business or you are strictly going to do ministry. Now, what we call ministry. Into your balance.
Ministry and business.
Yes, ministry and then industry business. It's make an industry, no. Omo balance. And you should just have that focus. Say, meaning some person me Accra. And no ehono mami lucy. But of course. To me yes sebi atise na wunhyemu saa se me de economy nte I mean ya wa ha and e bi no sha ase somewhere na sisi a o ma do somewhere say you know and idea Mrs. no one day my friend na me dey puti no you know you just have to be clear what you want to do and I keep saying that don't lose out. And now I name say oh media saying into the make cut my name say no emrene dane into dane be bad will call a motive into the ba mu say me be tunyum atwe Accra no. Don't ever lose sight of it. And una na me applaud ye ma menam evergreen for you.
Okay.
The Marigansers, the
sisters,
daughters of Lord Jesus, you know. This is some of, I mean, these are some of the things that Emma ye per omu ministry. No?
Okay.
Yes, the business aspect is there. Kase kofa omu wa share a ma fe 3 me call free omu for me show. Now me say free of charge because freely were you giving? Freely did you receive? And to freely give? No, it takes something to put their craft together, to put themselves together, and definitely you will have to mind that aspect. But almost spirituality, no, almost to turn the form, almost to turn the form.
Yeah.
I personally, and you know I know them,
yes.
I personally know that they have times so that is the thing. Don't lose sight of it. And again, may lose sight of the fact that sika and now the Beko studio, sika and now the Bay promotion ni sika common and easy. Or you better say, oh, Mobanium no moon jiffy, or moon jiffy, but sister. Ube call ube obibe boka cry a baby asi and anafe watiada because chalo few say wabwa wunye man, you know. Enti, I mean, let's be mindful.
Yeah.
Don't lose sight of.
I think that's the message.
That's the message.
Don't lose sight.
Emma when him crack. Producer mebu. Emma when him crack say, you know, udi erade di bibi. Actual kuma so and inti na uba industry no. Don't ever lose sight of it. And ma to say ye be Christopher. I do baby na morning devotion cry na ye jai
yabre
ish we yes our now what teda at the end of the day no now why you dry and you know there are some things that you should be consistent with. So we are minister of the gospel in music. You should be consistent with it. Just make that time of prayer, make that time of close association with God, because what you do not have, you can't give it. A bit doomry be no me say na fe ato woni your friend is saying jokes near
showmanship.
Exactly. And na waka no na ato ni showmanship na say, you know, let's quickly introduce our word for today.
Okay.
Na fe ya fre ye president papa na or the encouraging words are Sompa delight. Say I said this week ni dey bana ye gusu boy atna say na sister Kaimi no ye kan word be
ebullient.
Oh, like I like the way you pronounce it. Oh. Also, sister Bobium.
Ebullient.
Thank you. And so we said, it expresses, you know, mood. Say we ding excitement. And then word for the day. I have been thinking through. So the word I was talking about yesterday, it will come later, but Waterloo. And yeah, no word for today.
Okay.
But I just decided to throw it into the non-verbal, and we'll bring the explanation. Just that, like I said, okay. And I don't want to. I don't want to
find a good context.
Exactly. Context now mean I never find. Also because I said Black Stars coach like come on. Sister rather I'm kind of why you know. No sad I say. And now super bia a party now Lucy last election no. We between I can say side incident no. Na you Waterloo. And no never later.
And
let's see what word we have for today. Serendipity.
Okay.
And I mean, Nancy Kofu you see.
Exactly.
Nancy Kofu you see. I'm sure say, what? Serendipity. And also so, I seem to love the word because I had to say, BBS nanke was saying kedu eko bonimu na fe adania ye o papa and sane be si amaye hey
amen
nia omo ahihye se enkoye emfe enko bonimu no na ebedane until let's see the explanation well. Let's do the spelling for them as well. and then it's here for Mr. Moncho because what's now no you be charge producer
Friday.
It's not Friday. And it's just a freestyle.
Yeah.
It's not with me shaka your friend is saying.
I've seen say you have love for fancy earrings.
I do.
Oh, then I'll have to bring you more. I'll have to bring you some.
Yeah, your friend is statement earrings.
Oh, it's really nice.
Thank you. In fact, me lady was sure. Also, me social ne label na me be catch them na eja. But if you're into it, yeah, please bring them. And then your pink day.
Pink day.
And in fact, mama, if I went him, and now na Mataya Michelle also t-shirts na idea my for Sompa delights.
Yes.
Na me titemu kakra.
What brand?
Me titemu kakra na brand be na your friend KB or Oscar down kwabenya. Oscar down. No people catch us be shout out. But then they know I say kababisa no.
But nice.
It's because this okay. Andra no mama dey night say kababisa no. Na one here mebo wachi. And to the shout outs to him. Because short time now or the mommy and I appreciate it. He say, oh, sorry, me catch and he said, no fun video too. Oh, fun video to some fun edja or on ye. So let's look at serendipity.
Okay.
So I'll say serendipity is the occurrence of beneficial, happy, or valuable events by chance rather by intention. So oh, okay. And your press do line so until let's go and then speak to him. Okay. Hello. Hey, Prezzo. Mama, how fast good afternoon. So, Prezzo. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Abena. Good afternoon. Hey.
Me pacha ufo be.
Nyamina dum keke. We are busy. Baby, anyima fe. I'm a mitri I am there.
Abi, you know that. So you're welcome. You're so welcome to Sompa Delight. Preso sana me bono. Me se wa beti me abon it send me bono me chawa de enti Sompa Delight. So this is delight.
Okay.
So this is Sompa 106.5 FM. Na Obabna, I am here, and so Mr. Man, for no man, Joe blessings. In fact, I was telling my team that if you do any entertainment show and the president of Musica, it's not felt on it, anyone entertainment show in Ghana, and so yeah.
Oh, Abena, thank you very much. And first of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
I mean, I always know how you work. You do everything 100% perfect. And you execute anything you put your mind to it. So I know you're going to excel.
Amen.
And I would like to welcome Sompa FM also. I mean, you are doing marvelous. And I want to assure you that Musica is behind you 100%.
Thank you. Prezzo, me fancy ma.
Okay.
So we dear, and people were like, oh wow. I want you to tell us a bit about the Christian stuff you have done, because we know Odoye will be and then we know that. It's here for Mr. Bessa Simons, president of Musica, and Kasano. And Prezzo, let me hear what you did for Tego Sisters. I'm interested.
Okay. First of all, do I speak She fancy or English? Me from Fra. Yo, me dasi papa. More say that your campus Simon sir. Or your nyama P, but it's all to do with music. Me started from Chapudem Methodist Church. Into my board Methodist same me was school. Me na me boss for a school Sundays church.
Wow.
And that's where my background is from. Learn high lives and na me who so be bobana o it's a learning period. I will it take gospel music cry when the high life papa. Most of them have paid especially producers they pay their dues. And first of all, I started with the Tego sisters. And they were very, very good singers. I introduced them to Sidi Kubwari. That was to do We Are the World in Ghana, the Ghana version.
Oh wow!
I was part of that production. By music too. And the Mutukwano and the Tego sisters came to me in London, and that is where we did their first album.
Okay.
Because then I knew them for a long time. Then tell me what and aside that, so many years upon it's a blessed album now. Oh, how you
produced it?
Yeah,
amazing.
I produced it because I did a lot of productions when I was in London. Into me, it's a Felix Owusu all went to it's Papa Youngson. Samin Mammy Bo, jealousy, Mama, and Samuel Owusu media men me was some more.
Okay.
Yes, I've done a lot, and other gospel songs. I think I worked with Stella Seal as well. I'm trying to remember all those. CK Man, so fine. It's a CK Man, Ajo Yankee album now. And I've played on so many albums and worked with so many musicians from South Africa, Colombia, Brazil, Nigerian, and in Ghana. So a whole lot of songs are marble keyboards for so.
Amazing.
Some of the things are my aside Mankasa menu.
Wow. Why any I see first NRCC aso the ukra music mudiye too far, introducing new things, helping these up and coming ones. I mean, me, I was second vice president. I know what is going on.
Yes.
And the last time Mr. Adman was here, General Secretary mentioned pensions, and SIC live, and this is something that and I would like you to say something small about it because Tembia Wuka said time mushas yet said you didn't hear anything about pensions near there. Nyamencha na wabe president now who push this agenda into Perzo Fatuja.
So medasi. First of all, Mamankade, because of Musica before the elections, it became something like a rough time due to dirty politics via obeshe music. Into my music, very bad press. But, Abena when you buy, you try to erase that because that is not what music stands for.
That's right.
Music, you will hope to help, implement good policies for the creative arts. You will hope to make sure, say, aside everything, their only union, only music, as I said, will join. Some of it is digital album. This time, no, we don't sell CDs or even pen drives. We use them for promotional purposes. Into music, so you cover all the 16 regions for Ghana. Your work is to baby and to be a piano. Yeche, ma osu obiado. You members now when you labels, they are not under any label. When you big management, you are born. Sometimes we serve that purpose. Na yet someone what happens to say we are or there's a digital store, as it to we are or there a monetization, split sheet, be a nature for welcome into your church someone. You didn't go for to try and sit here. If you don't know where to do what to do, equa or better. Music, I have part to the here members in a join near it 300 cities. Benefits be all asam to what a benefit, asam to uba, asam to wukafo, asam to parents, Nina, but on cherry be a signing a check of 5,000 for a member war. Upper East, why a presentation, fair, what man, they pay what benefit from the Mazi. Open pensions, creative arts, or your BBA, why you know, crowd, into music, you take this initiative. Nay, yet the musician be all day your pension. Yamia, dominate to HBA into your music, and then to me, yet maybe what your pension yakasi time and Yakoponara about to Nessa.
That's right.
Only you what they will there would be a financial non cordon.
Yeah.
Nay, my music is abbey. Why she say Amma a drink to four? And then be our creative actors, be a age 9 to 5, I must say, yeah, within 5 years, more you women there, how much I contribute to that. It bottom a percentage be let's start with business be now also a team age because music and casano or most of it or long-term project and see a musician be as a knew who bo young con or your music should not drink the music do no my own join them there Abena Ruthy the Pia Bobon de wool. My musicians want to know about ama open the musician be a penny on ye a mobia need a chat kakra ama
sa just say in some dear baby waho prezo. I mean definitely I will have you in the studio one of these days so that yeah time pa na ya ton music because anyum to for cool bar time and one music be ni baby the recognized one, and so we are expecting say we music there you need to identify with music and Wadaroma we release me mama bet na head and ebebo ho amatete. Oh, Prezo, thank you.
Thank you very, very much. I mean, it may start in chair, but actually, baby, the American music is there for Sompa. Anytime, morning, noon, or night, we're there to support you. Thank you very much. And God bless you and your panel.
God bless you too so much, Prezo. NT, a president of Musica, Mr. Bessa Simons, and I attending Kano. I mean, Musica, a to 4 cool bad time. Like I said, if you're doing anything entertainment on air, not Musica president, won't in Kao, so you're not doing anything. And it's not Sompa delights. Yeah. I attend Kano. So that I dana kuma sopa into I will introduce Nyoma and especially pension SIC life introduce. I mean what things
yes, it's so heartbreaking. I mean yente cry atiti bebre obi be nyom sa, and in the eyes of people nipa we popular musician we and yes ne ho akire nu and yes yen koye donation yen gigi sika ne yen family kwa. Sometimes it's so heartbreaking so be hu obi a what dedicating years in the industry na at the end of the day sesia na ho odin aba fom no ntimi nya adwuma bi mu a na agise tese de obedi kura na eyedin problem kese panti so mbetimi address sa issue no nko ade a enke betimi aboa because a time will come Ghana for one be ya no mabre. Yes, one be ya no mabre
you know and
I think said the other problem is obu ho no mo a oyanyumtuni but the fact say we nyumtuni automatically it doesn't register you as a member of Musica.
Thank you.
Enti esa won so okọ na okọ register say we member wo membership card utu dues.
Thank you.
Now to me identify with the kuo no eno na se bibi ba ye betimi aboa wo.
Meche wale wa wate. Asem na waka no only what happens say obi to nyom na asem bi to no a obi assume say e was Musica stepping in.
Yeah.
Obi ya me wa be show be books na nipa no enfie pepe kojo ho onim onti ahwe mahwe
aso wa so na unka welfare ho
NCNC na inti why na fa ne de enkoto na wo meji at the end of the day eye ne awudi ba ne ayi ne ye de building na ye ko se nyame ncha de na se bia ban bi ba so no so mo ma bibia then you can benefit from it eno kra no po no it's not guaranteed. Being a member in good standing is what qualifies you for anything that the union is doing. We go out of our way to do stuff for people. And then say, Prezo, if you're listening to me, you support me 1 week. You donate to young for backlash and say. And it was because they were misinformed. Because we don't do it. Just out of goodwill.
Yeah.
And yes, the moon tones you know, because we don't do that. 1 week but we just felt that moon tones you or something because and it was, you know, a couple of musicians.
I'm sure so because say do ye dear so dear na say bibi to ye na yanti Musica for nka but
can you imagine
e drew obi so dear ya te so makwa koye
exactly so dynamics be a play out differently but the whole thing is we don't do those things for the welfare of the musician you making sure say nia wadwuma wo ye no koye wunya ho you know benefits was a wunya anything ye negam pim so say omunyina ye because na ya na sika ne wo and one of these days we'll bring the gamro here definitely and then we'll let them tell us what is happening now, what they are doing, because I know they are putting things in place and we pray say ebeyentem because hona sikane wo hona sikana yenyum tuo ne ye boy yenyum wo ahane amanone no omu no mu betumi omu wo right ne say omu betumi edi hunjuma amaye anyway so we'll be having our panelists coming on very soon and I want to say a big thank you to President Bessa Simons for making time this afternoon to wish us well on Sompa Delight na eja or day music and common so egu ho Emma sister raise
enkomo ho papa music ho gamru just say enkomo ho pa and I'm sure say ye ko anim no be di san komo
no anyway so did you have any other story to bring up because stories in the I am interested.
Okay, so one story and then I'll be done.
Okay.
I think say a husband posted about the wife a past was social media and there were a lot of backlashes. Say onokra de na oka God's transformative power. Yeah, etimi aba ne wife ne so ama lady na bra bo asesa because so she no say bi na ne bi wo ho no ma wo ye juma kra na oye no na enye enya de esese ye boso kra sabi wiase abrabo bi amfa nu onyam hye emma nyame emre nipa nka ho but onya akukuduro na okọ ohun say no there's something in the lady ase baby owo no na emwa and warrant so he was just sharing said the nyame sifa je na yire afri abrabo dada bia na owo mu ni ade na manfo say na ene wiase. As a man, would you want to take a risk like that? A topic for conversation. Yeah, kose we share obi udo nipa no. Now so wo share wo. Ye fan say be man we share oba. Wo share be man no pa bi a won pe ne ho asem nyame suro wo ni mu ni ade. Na ahwe oba yi. Lifestyle bi a wo mu yi. Na wo say wo pese so na okoware na wo twe no.
Obiane ne calling sister Obiane ne calling
now also send you na
group on ne kasa na wo hobby were you there you and I were
well
there.
For me I think say like you're saying se nyame ne waka ho asem a you can go ahead.
Thank you.
But se wonya conviction bia me besrew
who cover this Obeto Pega. Oh, but I believe for him to have come to share.
Obiani grace one is
yeah.
There are some battles God has given you grace for. It doesn't me say ade ebeku obi no ebeye wiye.
Sir.
Enti no ne nyina no ejina wo nipa ne so ene nea wo de wo ho ato no so ne nyame aka but se wo hye na ebro wa ho oden so a too hopeful. Just go for near obetimi amabra because already life is stressful.
I know.
Now one can so say kofa another burden. Because I a burden. Say empire boy, you have to be interceding spiritually. Now we bomb paye a come tre kasatre counseling. Enough from.
It's true.
It is a when you're ready na say nyame emma osa assignment na. Even when say in relationships and our real krano, you might not have met the person in that bad state. Ushi nipa no you okay. You were all in love, munyina nyamisro mumuno matiasemo, but in the course of our real krano, or how bit me bama issues be wobo eba. And to say edu one almost sa. Now God has not given you the grace for it. You can't.
That grace.
You can't.
You cannot take God out of this journey called marriage.
Those of you who are lambasting gentlemen, yes, obiani grace nyame dia ma no. Enti di obi ntimi nya no obi betimi aye. Di ebeku obi no ebeye obi ye. Enti just allow people to express themselves. Say a oko mu nene akwakoye enije. It started on a bad note, but ene no aye adanse or share the testimony. Yes. So and also na that's my last story for the day.
I hear you. I mean, Madam Afro, but that's the na say na kasana say counseling bi wo mu.
Hey, Mr.
It's true at here for. I said the counselor It's also co-training. Sana me pache also co-training. Now when Hans is a seed no. I mean I enjoyed your stories. Thank you. Thank you. And we'll be having our panelists, join us. And then you see dinkomo. I mean a couple of things are happening. And so we want to talk about them. Just yesterday there was a story I saw, and it's even similar to what you just shared. Lady Singathorn.
Yes. Efia Santua.
Thank you, Efia Santua. Then suddenly you've come and you're telling us that your husband this, your husband that. I mean, it's a pity. I always say that to be in the limelight, you should calculate what you want to do.
Okay.
Ubeye celebrity now, just know that wabeye cash cow. Cash cow meaning the wujiska.
Exactly.
Wabeye brand. Entino nia wude twa bontin biara. Calculate pa and yes ebe do emri bino one shall be no. Some people are able to sustain their brand because they are intentional about everything they do.
Okay.
Yes, that's how you sustain it. That's how ubeye relevant and all. One ye calculate senia wudi nyoma beto abontin senia ubeye say one shesa sana uchane pa, you will make a mistake.
So if you can't do it,
now we jai cry.
Because we didn't even know about her husband. We didn't know about her husband until she started pulling him into limelight.
See, Sister it was so encouraging to see how Anna Papa no one was Singathorn nimnia no until we can say, oh, okay, this is a man who is
very supportive.
Very supportive. Oh, piano, then you come today and you come and tell us now he wasn't there for you. Edu Singathorn they were bejina. I mean, it's sad. And I'm not saying that bibi hawa menka. No. So you should have your safety net all the time.
Okay.
I bet wow and that person you will talk to, that go-to person, okay. But if you don't have that, it doesn't mean that it was all be can was because honestly on social media no
there's no mess you
I even read a comment from Miami director. He was here on Monday, Isaac Kwesi Jr. or say social media no asem na o kan emfe ho asem na o kan emfa ho kra na chese emfa ho wona wo pe na wo ye yi wo de wasem to abontin a emfa ho. Anyway, my guests are joining in, and so sister joy you come the day
the besi anyway say de na wo kan no me bi wo ho say ye CV e wo say ye sonson
sir
enti wo hye na say untimi sustain ade na wa hye ase na ene men hye ase kra. I mean there are a lot of revelations are ever from this particular issue because recently omu tu kwan ko ji wo manipa wo Canada ho ba bi ni ade and it came out in process trip no na fully funded by the lady. Enti some common na nya ade an KBS say pia bontin but because of this people will just come comment
concern na umbedi wo social media na mu wi no makoyo ma na de wasba beto so I keep saying that nia wo pese nkofo hu na de to abonti nia wo pese ombe hu no fashion okokwam. Once you have put yourself out anyway, I mean yes, panelists I will even pick their minds on it because Charlie we need to talk about this. Unya kase wo ba limelight there nya hu so ye cash cow until we say we keep you hu ye so that we be sustain nia wo ye no. Anyway, Madam Afro, thank you. For my wonderful panelists for today are seated, and going forward Thursday saying ye benya ekuku dam hey no be ashe so chai ekuku dam say na omo bana obuni ya be che industry issues na ye bobo in sem ho ne ade and you will love their contributions because these are people who have in-depth knowledge in the industry. Omunim sem akoso omu mi say mo abakwa sem e ho na be who say fila day. And let me welcome my wonderful panelist, Reverend Eddie Aisen.
Bessa Simons.
Wafa. Fredima is in the booty.
What's up, baby?
Hey, yeah. Mahu. Response, I should tell you, say you're in for a treat, man.
That's fine.
Me passion to say that.
Oh, si jam kunton kunya ye hwedi nyame be.
Amen. Ye there just I mean, any Monday Thursday. So first of all, no Easter no e costing.
Yes, so many who dey say na no na idi men krenson ko say da efe no.
Palm Sunday. Udi abenkwan.
Papa bi pa, my wife will soon abenkwan ni.
Ma beda so she freezer mu me nya adaje anye.
Wani imre bi kakra bi keka ho ne. Akoso mu adwen bi.
Ai.
E dey wi age say dey ko
kete.
Now Easter is a reflection of life. About the Yankopon Yesu be wudi ye nkwa. The atonement of our sins na dey nyina. Enti na enyo no ye solemn kakra.
That's right.
Obia reflect your life mu say after watch you know and then I'll be continue. Na sober reflections for me on my instant. I tell me bomb hymns kakra. Weekend say I'll serenade you with a lot of hymns.
Nice.
Rockages of Rock of Ages, clap for me. And hide myself in thee.
I know, right?
It's
over keyboard. No, now,
and can it be?
I can imagine.
That's right.
That will be so sweet.
You expect me to Sunny day. And when one echo, it wasn't a cocoa, so a quack of our bar. Yes,
we'll come very soon. Reverend Aisen, Easter, because I just saw for me programs every Jama.
Programs in the doors, dear. But Kai is a man who did not. Sa season mu ana ye wo no enti pipe one say obi a be kai na won say e was said this season no onu so to me da odobi edi e kire amansan nyina on the ben because it's a season of love send obi ja na hindi ho e pai di be wuji ye nkwa me kai some years back me wo ho na Uncle Freddie frame our friend will be say in the next 50 years time now we which tells you that yan chemwo e was asase so nintino I was see to me e hwede ye de homa Kristo na mani hu no echi no yetumi ka che ye ho se yan so ye be daye odoidi ache amansan nyina.
Wow. Although there was a daddy because just say love showing love any language obia to meet us here sebi near on who dear crowd which ne do o feeli aha ne on tia some crowd which ne do o feeling no it's a good thing say Easter ye be chedo mamu akwa bashonko afei na ye de ye nkomo no e ba be hyehyɛ so mam ko tɔn ade kakra na me ba sisi na motena se mo home na me tɔn ade kakra nti me ba na ya to aso me da 21st clinic ase se o ma so ya sne e ma ye de Sompa delight me say na me bono no wa be hu no bono me che wa de Sompa delight. And the sciatica originator, the pace setters, the sciatica commandant, the sciatica researcher, the only sciatica expert in Ghana. Now, yes, sciatica say, "Usisi echi, eya wo ya near there wo thighs near there waist down was eya wo ya enona yes intini na wo ho no ekosi wo thighs ase ho no akosi agwo abaji need to be describing the ho no eya wo ya eno and a friend is sciatica na 21st clinic there. Omu your pacetters in dealing with that. Opese 21st clinic obenyomu wo Accra, Tantra Hill roundabout, Tema, behind Roman Catholic Church, Kaswa New Market, Obom Road, Kumasi Anya overseas, omu wo Sompa building nim. Na face Sunyani opposite Regional Hospital, First Gate, Techiman, Old GN Bank building in Kransat near Children's Park, Takwa. Low cost omune Sompa FM ena ewo building mu na takradi if you come number 9 taxi station afi so mu wo break mu wo go so mu wo boase na wo show mu numbers ni 0540 311 311 Mrs. Subium 0540 311 311 sciatica de chese oshia 21st clinica na wa yirem kra so wo pe toothpaste any toothbrush ebe to me aboa ma wo si I to say o ga ni stretch ya homa and one Yas toothpaste any Yas toothbrush Lextar Company Limited and I did Yas toothpaste any Yas toothbrush abba for hygienic healthy living always choose Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush na upe ebiata market mu bebia we o bebia nti you don't need to say oh we here family nye bi there bi wo call market bia obenya Yas toothpaste any Yas toothbrush ato wo pese oni omukasa wa Accra omo number is 050 161 9588 Accra 050 161 9588 na fe Kumasi 050 139 0338 050 139 0338 mi chame ho abasisi amen ko baby ya
First clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magye wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na no nso na wo mu bia the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gi 21st clinic in Kwa. Woman dear bibidro and the best on no massa the machine account. Aya Sabia, Yaria Witimi the corner, my dear Pakua, woman Gidi Womupano, Aya sciatica and a stroke so the qua, diabetes and hypertension near Deniade. Ghana have baby our more and cry her. Say you were Tantra Hill runabout. So free and cry air bar. You were one sunny faso. Ufema sama so ne bansua. One sabunkum so. A hona will be huye. 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Hajia special local foods. Abakade. Enye diani ni diani o. Yewe diani ni yewe diani. Enye nwanwa se Ghana ha. Ahemfo. Eya kesiye. Wedina kesiye. Party ya kesiye. Se mu pe baby. Awo be serve wo ma wo ho. Se ye buffet ene wo mo ye. Se ye local continental dishes a. Wo bi e cha nani a. Hajia special local foods. Ewo hacho. Atomic kwan no so ho no. Die ntie fe ni local foods ne se. Enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo tentam tomatoes wa pro, meko apro, jena apro, garlic apro. No dia ye aduane se ehya abontine aduane edi yenye ni bisa. Dabi Hajia suro nyame. Etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyiye ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se mo mfa Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and as 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 for not with them
do na so you say me the yas toothpaste and the brush and the twimesima me nya homka same thing na ye boko yi na me die me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me ama sesei menum so a enu anase de ehia me selfin me biem na won hwasa me si aye fita sesrechi ahoma na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimisi enti na wo se efe na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ni de ebo wo se ho ban demu ni nyina ema wonum ye sham. Oh yes, and Crotrodo, Yas Herbal, Yas Whitening, and Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and in the brush, I was young chamfa.
So what Pedro 2 a one cry ha for Leicester Ghana Limited, and was 050 161 9588. Leicester Ghana Limited, and the Yas Toothpaste more who do, and in the brush abejaso abebu. For Asa Chia Jenny Essin and Nanamu do so, said the another do woman and Nanamu and Yara Basabasano, Sana 2074, and 1974, Ebony Pediano.
And my immune support, and to be on Biano, a babia, no one the day.
2074 years so, Yayani says, so, Kukua Kama, and to baby, I wouldn't be out to me the word Yako.
Samina, Uncle Phil Nekui, and Danon Konaria, Braminum T74.
Saminum 2074, Minya Wadi, Menum the Debia.
T74 Hahama and Yadia, na DHC, and our from Anaya Kamasano. T74, and Wadinia Pundinkwa.
Woko Pharmacy, and na baby to Nubia, Ubena Tontina 74 Ibiato.
T74, and ya more bow of a fro, and Ubia Oma Mufo, and I say, Ubia Onion Fiabun.
At 050 162 8931 and a 0246 073 498. FDA at G. Kratzway Atum.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Bessa Simons.
Onyakupondi for Wastrano Eweye Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyakupo Reyawan Wadepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We know Butaiti to us on Papa Service, our Homae, a new TV program keke, a bra or Sonia Sasisia, a bro Nankupon Casa Chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Mass on Papa Service in Chawu Hoda, a Yajuada Kusi, a Fiadanopa, Anopano Nunkusi, Anopanusia. Found na share radens na erade beye.
Ya boy, ya ba Sompa.
way. Mrs. Powerhouse way. PSA Esther. Share Ochna Harvest Praise OTTO. Harvest Praise. Say Enra you can wasem. I PSA Esther will be there. Eja oma me who say I oversubscribed into you to me join online. Into you online Harvest Official, Harvest Praise Official online. Obe to me join you or na eja why enjoy Harvest Praise, you know. So PSC Esther will be there, Tego Sisters will be there, and Gen Z for no Team Eternity. I almost don't miss it tomorrow, Good Friday. Be there. Maybe I make love or their first love, isn't it? First love into the be there and then experience the presence of the Spirit of God. Yeah, what spirit of Easter na enti Reverend wafa spirit of Easter na ni woman. Anyway, thank you for your Easter messages I must share before we went on the break. I want us to talk about the industry, and I mean, make sure I'm overwhelmed because minim say power womumu in some shape. I mean, just yesterday, Reverend Mama Fredofa, Fredima. It's for what is a make of Fredima. Uncle Fred. Says I'm for different. Okay, into the Uncle Fred, Uncle Fred. I said, what fine, only Uncle. Anyway, Uncle Fred. So me who post now will talk about Riala. Yeah. Now we'll come for a bandingu, yeah. So introduce you know then we are like international act near there. Intimate say history near the quadri room. Metaphor, you know, the industry as you see it, and then what you think we can do better. I mean, him saying to me exhausted, but at least just let's hear from you regarding
the periphery of
exactly
the whole like you about Abena. Minia, yo, I see. Many Reverend, we go way back home.
I know. Mr. Michael, I'm a pair more.
One of the greatest composers and
yes,
saxophonists.
Wow.
It was nice to meet my younger brother. Yeah. I'm not so sure on my anymore. Ghana, the industry in terms of the creative industry, no, of the form, music, in our culture, no. We show a new show. Which a cop actually pa. Yeah. Now she said yeah. I saw for Boston for Roman Methodist and Anglican for baby P on my Mohano. Tituni Boston for documentary a lot of any money I was say. I want to be P if you and Muhoa cofa a betifi. First anti-mamma fat brown for her. That's what presentation you want. Yeah. Busy for no more laboni Advent Heralds. Omodi everybody and Professor Abraham okay. Certainly na kwa for na record yeah. They be best melodic. And in your baby I friend Elizabeth Foucault. Enti subo, minia subo, yes, you know. The gospel side of the free bow. Okay. And son of Pentecostal go comfort and yeah. They bad finish and Yami channel they bad is here in one. So if gospel side the one. Now, Oko High Life scene now, tell me, Ramblers, King Bruce, any in no more in Crancy, and I'm going to be Titi Band. Yeah. Band if any Uhuru Band. Okay. To be able to come could be an another Dr. KJ, so on concert at the same time. Yeah. It's one of the first dance bands a Bayano. It being smart and Kansani Sweet Talks. That's right. High Life Band meeting, where Dr. KJ. But whenever and honey. Okay. That's right. If you said 70s, no banana pedunum, a quabuanum, a bit of some also or teacher Africana, but Thomas and 1975, Joe Mensa, Bosso, Bibi Ribo, you're saying you now best say, Ebasa, I like you came from Pong, Tintin Dimo, or Sevas could no more antibodies. Only can who say, we uncle Danoda, who say about Jola Canino. So if you look into the Ghana music and that, till 1781 cool by musicians be brave. Jenny feel my because I catch you. Yeah. I'm quite a bogger highlight music. Yes. Dako. Mumbai, be seen then I'm a foyer. That's the Nika crab. Oh, amazing.
Lovely. So there was a bit about Kwame Nkrumah tea, band and no new mutukani ade. I think say no so can home and for any BA nyum tour because you get to experience other countries and what is happening there. They will craft no kwetri. It was a share show. It was a bind done in the knee. Ebe share industry no na yes nyoma wo mni ade because ye meet you.
The industry no privately owned. Yeah, I did hear about ourselves a positive environment.
Exactly, enabling
security, Kwame Nkrumah no money than us baby aba or creative people use some for their propaganda.
Sir.
The Kwame Nkrumah use who share a friend say it and to Independence Day
yes.
Nkrumah show boy no money
yeah.
Buzi also buy the creative industry or now he was looking at the diaspora so befa more amano in Baba kind of. It's all the soul to soul about Ghana high 10 and in Niku. On show independence. At that time, on some the baby and Sufria at the America. You buy it, General Champo buy on the 13th of January 1972. On the 22nd of October 1972, I do so for Daisy.
Oh,
and so buy it.
The way I enjoyed those things, Hey, there's just a Sunday be now looking forward to it. Say, Obra. Me put you hey, family sasa. Family sasa.
No brand, baby, say brand.
And they make I be a Sonny. Say Sonny. Make I be say me black and white. Oh, family sasa. Me sasa. Me Gen Oh, amazing history. Sanyo na pesa me can am say Sonny. No, Ampai Sanyo
or Phillips. So
that be Sanyo na mekai. Etikopo.
A champo you saw that the official feed yourself. On the 4th of July 1978, Akufo Subetu no.
Okay.
Rollins then Rollins and Liman we create history no more.
On Sheda because I short term.
Near free cool abayumti. Ya chede hu never be brave. Or ya to
Anyway, so Reverend, my main funny if you say, Obo Papa D, and Rami who status and I say Nepo or the Nipa CD,
and record plate,
record plate because I had to the enemy and for station master but and I ate in the no revenue so I mean I a man of his own just that ni papa ye bi pa and Uncle Fred Ekasakra or cite example of some of the things he did. I want to ask you, I know that you want to tell us of the history, but how has his, life impacted yours? Informing some of the things that you do now, because we're a great composer, we all know. Oh, Papa, and impact your life, Anna.
Make us say positively, because growing up, what I saw every time, rehearsals. For back fee almost year rehearsals.
Okay.
See, I still have a repertoire of songs that never even came out.
Oh.
High life, gospel, and all those things are now almost fee every year rehearsals. If you were hokra, me cry me say a high end to say.
Okay.
I was doing that in those days. I would say positively Nia no ye, send ya no shishan and yomfa. Any Sanyamani Nano influence the way I made Jenny Effa musical and the way I made it menumfa.
Okay. I think I like the point you have given. Say yes, a good father leaves a legacy. Anyway, so industry, you are in it. We are treasurer for music. What's up?
Me say my share industry for so many years from time I'm a yakwala. I be Drew and Pempensi. When you look at the industry now, make us say ye
okay.
Ye ewo bibia ye in terms of senior for your more dear for ewo music industry no more.
Okay.
But a banner structure wise still ye akwala. A banner structure more. Akwala. The music industry has grown.
Okay.
There were great talents for Ghana internationally ni mo mudi any ade. But when it comes to the systems in Intina, Ghana Emma and Yum crying to me den enche. Eba na fizzle out because what will help to preserve those type of songs any hosa.
And it doesn't have to do with the composition, but it's just the structure, no, and the manual name channel.
Structure near back.
Okay.
And one will say most of the times you want new one, so we are a to meet it. And you want new one a seasonal.
Yeah.
Young fan say, Obi Kase 31st go kurum.
Bronya, so yeah,
Bronya is seasonal. Are you getting it? When it comes to certain types of we are a new one, a seasonal. Easter Jom a seasonal.
So I mean, I wanted to come to offer. There was say, is it just the song or the structure? Of I want your take on that.
Because in music, you know, your Friday you be the 3 T's of music. Timing, tuning, tempo, and a kaboom.
Of a bohobium pacho, obitia or
the 3 T's of music.
Yes, sir.
I win young baby, I said some part.
Some part the line.
That's right. It's timing, tuning, tempo. So we are just any manual. When you be in pop baby, because it's all fat subject, you know. So then I will come for don. A door then a ba. Obeman Toma no ban. From 1950, you be saying that your run recording studio pay. Until so Rebbe friend AK Badu. I hope mercy. Or the Ambassador Records a buy.
Okay.
And the Baba could defend Essie Bones on any Crawford.
Yeah.
Also, baby, I will in that North Kanishi, baby, Lighthouse for see.
Yes.
Now why recording studio with an elephant.
Oh.
Well, how to any trap power.
Okay.
Or phonogram. Simons. Or not only the producer CK man, the people from the Western region, Kitupani, Accra, I will lumen produce woman. Tina, she does name also. It's answer now, you cry, remember Bano, take it be 2 years. It's the other man for any say. Omo bought me, na me be released young. December yeah. Sometimes more band in Intino. But the band never cut talk from Kaha. Okay. And you might be bad December, my boy. No, about for a promotional challenge. They do her. We have to a power be. For the month of September, you take school fees New Year pet. Yeah. I don't December, November, no more release. Oh, yes, I lie. Papa, no more fresh. Yeah. I mean, my first studio experience was 1975. Our Ambassador Records.
1975 near team music at home. Me too.
That's the first time we called studio. Who said the original record? Okay. Because AK, but you know, 9 minutes money could school once maybe from Royal International. Okay. It's one time we called Dr. Cages, you know, and I record or have will be. And I have to have the present day TV3.
Yes. And come and make a count, because make I say. Over recording na say munyina mo set up na watwa do baby ni say wunti ba kope no mo san mo echi evolution na basa no
ai ne obi tie brochi a
chale
how your recordings na ko na ba dey nyina
just obi kwa to meet ha bibi to mo obi say ye verse to so no dey aba even with video is happening technology
and me studio ho na me wie no me to make video
wow yeah
Oh, nice. Yeah. So these are some of the benefits of technology.
It has gone through a lot of other structures, you know. And I said, "Na ye kano, enye a crew ye in terms of music. Sana apa physically ye crew in terms of but there are a lot of divisions in the music industry.
Now, uka say you know private owned. Na ye kan kro ye say me de me ho na me kra misika mpese me bi na obi so de ne ho a ye be dan ye nti don't we think that aban embre mu na omunye bibia e betumi ama ya som for instance with a film no titi amo NFA ye aban na e directing nti unim so wo be ye bibia audiovisual na bibia you need to get to them and it's even trickle down to banking. I was shocked when the experiences are there will be multimedia company and also your BA account or call bank almost your own file license from National Film Authority, EMRA, and so maybe account, which means that I mean censorship that is there right there because to me producer BBA ma NFA can't we replicate that in the music industry? In the music industry,
exactly. Technology by Nobiana. I cannot do massa, so we can cry. Yes, the bandaroon.
Mikai, the time now, you buy the territory, Sonia,
yeah, but because I make say, who's a bassano, so we can father one, you know, like you to do, yes. almost time say music a union. Our pa and our joining. And a gamma so a collective society and also pa. And I mean your family mom distributor. But if you had other distributors and family grounded that, and then my Eddie Echo music and so you are fapping. Donations see banning the contributions from the individuals. And you want some Indian non penny for your fanom. Biblia gigs more. There be you more. Why, first so yeah, organ grow and also share near my air, but the tell say private and say, what also better on you? Abandoning the obit plans all the instruments in about Abema rebate. Or near my cabana can't just say, or Hanakoboa. Yeah, on a papa constitution. We share almost a year plus 2 private. Yeah. Baby, a Chatterhouse where you must say, apart from Junction Center, a conference, I will call Buko. And musicians in the creative industry. Young Kwani Nipa, you treat tax and send a head,
Matthias, don't know about guitar. Exactly. Concert, no more about guitar. Tickets are complimentary tickets in Nania tax.
The Korean anime can say my temperature. Would you then have a kind of crack every pa or my has so all share from the year. You start take us here we are. Say gospel for a program. Who certain people be among one of the exactly. What for me clicks.
Women in gospel music, they dear kakra. But say, Uka collectively, yes, I agree.
The same thing, and Tiako said, Kakrabina, ADD or Idimu. And I answer to try home. You're afraid of Brown with this or Brown to go release a check on Fanoni or new repertoire. Yet to be there. Aye, but I never go in your city. That's funeral. Say, a bit to me, I quit, no, I said, Croy, to me by and tell me. Now, to me, in Nania, your fire sample, we are musical for me, Addy. Okomatic and so I'm for the car say, it's not about 5 million in a year. Someone say, yeah. That's how the industry has been. We hope say, anyone because technology, they're about this time.
I was here, now you set the agenda. No. Na ye manko form me bemti yen as industry as singers and as industry players ni na was say ye driving where we wanted to go. I need jemu tra na ne obi tin baby no so a certain agenda be na into to yen and the aba.
Because akwai to say private in no obi a pe we a obetumi ama ne de ni gina. Nti minim musicians bi a omutumi tua DJs ka say
membo we nyom
me nua panyi kan say membo we nyom minim DJ a webubu CD mu.
Can you imagine?
That's been mu.
Yeah.
Look at
Waji
Payola. OGC cannot all right. Hey. And so obubu CD no as soon as the person left. How will the industry really move?
Yeah. There's a lot we need to do. Wow.
And then it'll be on TV station and radio station.
Aye.
On Facebook.
Exactly.
And it's slave trade.
Thank you.
Exactly.
Because
yes. So the fact that on no any idea no their banner who use no. Mr. First no good. I think it was on Monday mornings that call something. So I saw that with the movie industry. I mean, some time back. It's not coming back.
Once a year, buy a concert back. Yeah. Sponsors we. When you can say we can page for video not music.
It is becoming very difficult to even market the music. Make I say, me started my first song I made out. Me structure me de tone I really sold because that structure I'm using. Many first person I started say me tone and you with car.
Oh,
and I'm not that the reason here a giant and say people started complaining say noise say near day.
So now would you from AME? Would you permit from AME? Because I recall say you permit from AME now they are caught. And you know maybe we should I was say the radically industry this how work you
I say many of me can say me chain microphone no moton we pen drives wo
saying
traffic which about cook music at the end of the day no but maybe feel say if you to me structure ni now your mad those things come in, those individuals come into the industry. Boy industry.
Remember into music for na share because music I know. Into any anya share na say time
no na me
need laws.
But I did what I could do that time.
So na uchi obi anya music and because all the police station.
Now your person you who the source.
Okay.
Maybe omo free so that we can track.
You know what they tell you? Also no internet ninja you know?
Very sad internet no am funti nya album so no ba no be ba kope.
Yeah.
For people to see the job when show be kakra bi obi birthday bi asia boni you know there are a lot of other people also making money.
Yeah.
How are they making money? How are they doing it?
They are making money. Just say I won't say composition one thing. We will be the Kofi Kanata. Kofi Kanata, any more in your come abrabom nsem.
Yeah.
And it resonates. So your birthday party, obenya de wum. Obi awu a obenya ebi wum. Obe say so you.
I say OG.
That's right. Obe so you invite that person to come and play for you. Obana crown or joke kakra bi crown or be yes kano. Between I never be free. And so don't also have other business doing. But the main thing say, we don't want to. You know, fine, but at the end of the day,
honestly, visibility now, ending biasa. I think I saw.
There's a boy be out. Oh, a friend die fever.
Okay.
Fancy in share go. So what is that? Share go. Or a student. Now, all by any areas now, a year or general.
Wow. And so
he is overbooked every year weekend. Yeah, remember, to acquire man 10,000, 5,000. He's making money.
It's making money. And you know, so we can say there's a correlation or the two internet so no and uncle who
and me contemporaries you know started sound engineering excuse me it be brave it be mania stroke we won't mean but Freddie Mami so still be relevant be relevant because if you come on the social media we are calling no vibe or I did be tron de bia or me bomb him to the two baby
na tron de easy
can't be buy me bomb him no be the chair me.
Oh wow!
So my social media is very very good. You need to be active. We are a creative person. You want to be active
on social media.
Hey,
easy.
I'm showing you now.
Easy. I am now bebre. I guess I want to make just have me live it up to TikTok. Ponanzeo.
Like I said, Freddie Moya did what that side.
So it means good beats don't rattle. Me tagline no. Good beats don't rattle.
Make high time and see your fan and Niama.
Yeah.
And he still stood in the midst of that storm and he rose again.
Yeah.
But I was saying, who said Yami wa it's me. Yeah.
That's true. I think it brings us to the word we introduced last Monday, Hayatasana. I can say, you know, a break in something. You just said something that reminds me of that word. And Yakache TF say, words I introduced this week in Ano, Ochna. And then they mention the word, the meaning, how it is used. Na ya chewa de ochna ye che money angwane imagine and easy. And auntie ako wasuma. Anyway, it's exciting. We've said a lot about the industry. So yesterday, I came across a story. Into mami movie to hono na ayana, you know, eba shisheshe na yenka na yentumi entufu mu yempenyimfo na wisdom na nyame de abamono mo fama yenkore. So this Asantua, thank you. I just chanced on a video and now all ranty say. I didn't even realize I relocated to Canada. Now the reason I'm bringing the story is the fact that I think that if you are in the limelight, you should decide what you want to put out for people to see. And I mentioned earlier, I believe that once you get fame, no, you should know, what be a cash cow? What be a bibia a sombo? Intine was shower namuntu ye. I mean, singathon time ne be hun no or yen even say that but ni nim no sa. Singathon time ne be hun and ni singathon no me encourage me papa. And I was excited because I said, you interview me with TV so come the consistency now. No, so Onya Bibi asked Nyoma be brave by, but the ultimate thing she wanted as a Guinness Book of Records no way. I also attempted you. Exactly. So I'm just saying that sa act no of coming out of her way to do that, to encourage people. No, I feel of course, Obenya brand ambassador near they are motivating, no, and no, and I make a one. So I'm just trying to say that what be we want motivating coffee, then yeah, that's sorry. I will catch you say, and then you want to put that out. For what do you think? Well, let me hear from you.
Okay, did it kind of? I be been a be a make a say, will be the same fancy pum. Jane Shekan, yeah. I did before, but was it? I did be a rami can, as if you say to say. I did be a rami, yanka, say me bisa, say ebe, ye, sufe. I said, will be a dear two, no. Now, our rear this year, our year was 37 military hospital.
Wow, congratulations.
For 4 years.
Wow, and look at it, I woke up 41 years, I don't know.
A child man ball.
Chai.
Fortunately, school I'm a premier college. When you're penny be an event when you could do chair. The film is American.
Oh, okay.
Teacher from the Bray 7 periods. And my own whole favor, I miss them for.
Wow.
The blackboard is no chair. I didn't
also, Obia, the favorite teacher, Bessa. Or Chadi, I won't you. Now, who offended in your church and now I
say, yeah, if I be worried, will be 2 years prim for Police. You know, to Sompa. That by the way.
Sompa delights on Abena.
I mean, about if you
are
but you know, I face a pro. Don't you be a prank with an way?
I hope so.
Me share the any na me who say a plan.
I hope so. I hope so because a heartbreaking.
Yes,
a heartbreaking.
Because I don't social media. I'm sure mom with my worry. May I come on social media to celebrate my wife? But 7 years cooking will film a big dinner. And I mean, we are journalists for 30 years. Me some buy media my own can be my me that equals a question.
Hey,
it's so is one of them and I will. Tiana and Qualano,
yes.
So I just say, be a woody diagonia here.
And we should hope say April Fool. April Fool at the Achin. At the Achin, because April Fool up to 12 o'clock.
Maybe I saw her on you this.
So I'm just hoping. I'm just hoping that you feedback relative.
But if in reality, no, Sunday come by idea, any minute around really. Because you see, where? There are so many reasons why celebrities will win ambassadorial deals.
Yeah.
Those people have a bar, I'm on pay fee, can't not to be once
because now brand Ben or no, better say, or be aligning with Obia or you know, the branding your correct.
What I say, I don't know, it's be brave, it may be brave, but social media. Sometimes it may be so hard, and it may be show more so. So they come on social media and then
no ma vente
them one be osuka krebi na asweji the pain no na minimu so ho na be ma no ko hu no go ware ni but one of the earliest Ghana was beautiful no count
no baby yeah chef ko
buy obeda da any other thing oh eti
I award yes ka kra ya be
o ti di kam a o kasa ne hwe ni dimi na no we no a na ma fo fisi bia sebi no be ma na atena ho I don't know Sarani kuna na on a friend ashes na Curtis na no o kasa wa chi no o se ba no kasa ba asa da no
Edding okay
e ko fantino o family matters you and I were not there to knew how our worry sit here e be a public no they will come and smile
anyway
behind the
the details but na you person e boss tell because na to say no na na see and like of a okay and just say be boba
they are up to something.
Hey, that is an answer no cause he wasn't there for me before since before Singathon no now on supporting no Singathon do about beji na ho beji fans then I felt so disappointed
senior brother said or say you and I were not there or say lie fight lie fight
and what we put out me policy ni say nia wo peso be a bar social media ntino na afi I cancel what anyway yeah bring kwa let me just jump to my next thing that I want us to discuss, and also so your boss to tell, and also something that has happened. We all know. So waha, and nyame eto ni nsafre daddy lumba, you know. Na fe okori ye echinsensem say eventually. Omukokoto omusi omukoye celebration of ono na ya mo kwan omodane no. Otwala wadan. Omodane ne say celebration of akosia sewa, you know. I in my opinion, I think that Oma draggy issue no too much. Like Oma chimwa dia. I even chanced on a video that somebody was talking about the fact that in the 17 years na papa ne betra hanoma amena ba ha once, but 18 months twi asem no aba ha say 4 times or 5 times since no bi gina ho e ka say nti say japade na oba be prayer na me e bi aso na enye sa. You know, what's your take on it? Let me take your take on it briefly, and then you give me your final words.
Onitini I friend no kinonyina say unima obi na busuamwa e kai mu accept.
Okay.
I've learned the Lumba for the last 44 years. The first time in 1982, we are all students. I've been a friend with him. In 1992-93, or the year I could just about my office.
Okay.
At the same time, I do double news about the chairman.
Wow, sure.
I said 17 years now. My imagine said, "Do my son cry and back to."
I mean, I just.
Anybody has the right to celebrate or be anyhow they.
Okay.
So I don't have any problem before they.
With they turning it into celebrating the woman. Okay. Ember.
Celebrating my mommy no do my bobra. Maybe 17 years no can I say oh man. So the technology oh.
Yeah, and you and I were not there. So we anyway. No, I agree with you. This is why anyway, we wish them well. We can only wish them well. Reverend.
Celebration of families.
Okay.
We accept celebration of individuals.
Okay.
Inti wo share ye mami so a one papai make us say we contribute in a way
to his success.
From the beginning she was there 1986. And I yaka quintium or executive producer.
Yeah. 89. Okay.
No, executive producer to Lumba. And I'm Freddie Mazuna because of Selena Ollins.
Okay.
Now or yet more on the shopping every time be a me coho.
Okay.
And I'm mini Lumba be very fine.
Okay.
Intino a young one can say Ebushi asem. And in Ghana we sell